Storytelling for Business is a workshop designed to help your team enhance their storytelling powers. We start with an introduction to the neuroscience of storytelling, how stories are a fundamental way that we communicate and connect. Once we understand the why, we move on to an introduction of McKinsey's STR framework. It's a lightweight and powerful tool to help teams better capture their stories, whether it's in a conversation with a client or in an email to a team lead. In the second half of the course, we talk about effective ways to communicate stories, starting with an overview of active listening. Lastly, we discuss both in-person and virtual skills you can leverage to build trust, channel your charisma, and communicate more effectively. All of the skills are taught in tandem with engaging activities to help your team fully understand the tools and their impact. The workshop is available both virtually and in person. There is also a 1-hour version that reviews the neuroscience and STR framework only. Connect to find out how we can transform your team into impactful and engaging storytellers.